The spare tire in 2011-2020 Toyota Sienna models is located underneath the rear cargo area floor. To access the spare tire, open the rear liftgate and pull back the cargo floor carpet or mat. You'll see a plastic cover, typically 6 to 8 inches in diameter, over the access hole. The spare tire is secured by a wing nut that needs to be unscrewed counterclockwise using the provided lug wrench. The jack and tools are stored in a compartment behind the right side trim panel in the cargo area. For the jack and tools, open the right side sliding door if applicable or the rear liftgate. Locate the trim panel in the cargo area. It may have a pull tab or screws. Remove the panel to reveal the jack and tools compartment. Before removing the spare tire, park on a flat surface, engage the parking brake, and chock the wheels. Turn off the engine and remove the keys. Once the wing nut is unscrewed, the spare tire will lower slowly via a cable winch. Guide it down gently to avoid injury. After the tire is fully lowered, roll it to a safe spot. Remember that the spare tire is for temporary use only. Drive under 50 miles per hour and replace it as soon as possible. When reinstalling, hoist the tire back up, secure the wing nut, and replace the cover and trim. A common issue is corrosion on the wing nut, especially in humid climates. Using a lubricant like WD-40 can help. Also, check the spare tire pressure before use, aiming for 60 psi.